If you met such black screen condition, don't be panic. In this video, I will walk you through to check the problem and tell you how to resolve this question. So, the first step, we need to check the back of our LED wall. The first step was to check the LED indicator. As you can see, there's our LED indicator. They show green light, right? This is normal condition. The abnormal condition means the LED indicator, they haven't lighting or they flicking very fast. So they are abnormal condition. To this abnormal condition, we need to check the power cable whether it is connected securely plugged in. So as you can see, this is our power cable. You can see this is the air port. The air port, you need to come here and we need to check it. We need to push here and to plug in it very fast and use some power to make it check it whether it is securely plugged in. So after you make sure the power cable was plugged in securely and is pushed securely, we need to check the net cable connection. For the net cable connection, as you can see, there is the net cable. The port of the using was the RJ45 formula. The RJ45 formula was like was the same with other Ethernet cable. So as you can see, we need to make sure we plug in the RJ45 cable in right direction, right? So we need to check it is securely and correctly plugged in with the LED wall. So after you completed this work, we need to check the screen. After you ensure the power cable and the signal cable was very securely and correctly connected with the LED wall, then we need to check if it is there some cabinet was broken or the cable was broken. So how we check this? We need to open the Nova LCT on our computer. So the first step, we open the Nova LCT here. And then we need to log in. We just input the password and click here the screen configuration. Here is we choose the first port, or you need to choose the port in your actual condition. So then we click the screen connection, enable the mapping. So as you can see, the mapping show normal, right? They clearly show the order of you connection the screen in their self-series. Then we need to check whether it is a problem happened in the receiving card. So next step, we need to check the receiving card's configuration file. Of course, in the software. So as you can see, our Nova LCD software shows the configurations, the formula, and the specifications in the interface. So we need to reloading the configuration file and to send it to our cabinet and the receiving card. We just load the import and load the configuration, the cabinet, also the receiving card's configuration from the folder, and then send it to the receiving card. Select the cabinet that you think that they're in their actually site. Okay, then we just click the send. If you send the receiving card to the normal and correct configuration file, but the screen still black, or they flaking, or some other some other problem occurred in the LED wall, then we need to check if there's a problem with your Windows settings. So we just click the Windows and P, and you can click. You can find there's several options on the screen. This means copy mode. This means extend mode. So we need to swap the mode to the copy mode. We just click enter and choose the right mode. So as you can see, then our screen shows a picture. So this is a condition that your screen is black, and you can solve it by swap and selecting right Windows showing mode. So if we try this 3 steps, but the problem still, how we resolve it? So then we need to solve this problem by some physically and technically operating. For example, we need to, if these following 3 steps they don't work, then we need to try some physically operating. And as you can see, there is an LED cabinet. We need to check the back of the LED cabinet and remove it. The faster scroll, we remove it, and we can see there is the inside the structure of the LED cabinet. This is the power supply mode. This is the receiving card, and this rainbow wire was using to transport the signal that with receiving card and the power mode. The receiving card with the showing panel. This is the power supply mode. The power supply mode was using to transport power to the showing panel, and you can see this is the power wire, right? The power cable you need to replug in to check whether it is a security plug-in. This rainbow wire was aimed to transport the signal. If the rainbow wire was not a security plug-in, and so the panel was will be black or reflecting. So we also need to check the rainbow wire to remove it and replug it. And also, if these 3 steps doesn't work, we can try to replace. We can try to remove the power supply mode and the receiving card and replace them to a new one. This is screw, we just remove it. And you can see this is the wire. When we replace them, we need to remove the wire, also this power, and when we remove it, we need to be patiently. So after we remove the power supply mode and the receiving card, we need to confirm whether it is normal or their structure and they seem to work well, and then we need to remove the rainbow wire. And the main point was when we try to swap, try to exchange, or we replace the new receiving card, we need to remember every panel, their order with the receiving card, whether it is correct. So as you can see, this mode, they using this wire. The left and the upward corner panel, they are corresponding with the GH3 port, As you can see, there's the number. Receiving cards, every number they must correspond with the correct orders panel. So this is all for the video. If you have other problem or you have something you want to consult us, you just subscribe our channel and leave your comments in our video. This is RAYBO Technology, 15 years professional manufacturing. Thanks for your watching.